That's Mazda cx60. I can show you how to take the door handle. Here they have a screw, that one, and one is over there, 2 screw. Take the trim off first. I'll show you. You have to take this cover off. They have a splitting clip here, so I can show you how to do this. Undo screw here, T25. You can see that when you take the door handle, you have to put a window up. Here's the little you have to push here. That's the door handle. That spring, you have to push it out. That's the spring, you have to push it out.